After several delays, a new trial date is set in the case involving 3 men accused of shooting and killing a UK student 6 years ago.
LEX 18's Kristen Edwards tells us more about what happened during a court hearing this morning in tonight's big story at 5:30.
Two big announcements this morning in a hearing on the Jonathan Kruger case. The first, a new trial date for the 3 men accused of shooting and killing the UK student is now set for April 4th, 2022. The second came from the Commonwealth's attorney's office about the possibility of the death penalty.
The Commonwealth is seeking to proceed with all aggravators, but not the death penalty.
With every hearing, this case inches closer and closer to coming to an end. But even when all is said and done, there likely won't be closure for Kruger's family. That's according to Natalie Parks, who recently interviewed Jonathan's mom.
The end of the trial is separate from the closure that they're getting over Jonathan's death. Because like we talked about, there's not going to be any closure. It's going to be something that they have to live with the rest of their lives. He's never coming back. No sentence in the world for the suspects is going to be able to bring Jonathan back to life.
Despite the outcome in the case, she says those who knew Kruger best will continue to remember him as a fun-loving, passionate, kind, and silly person. In Lexington, Kristen Edwards, LEX 18 News.
The argument over the death penalty in this case became national news. Attorneys for the defendants, Efrain Diaz Jr. and Justin Smith, argued the death penalty should be off the table for defendants who commit a crime between the ages of 18 and 21. That's because science shows their brains are not developed enough to make sound decisions. A Fayette County judge agreed. The Kentucky Supreme Court heard arguments in the case, but ultimately declined to rule on it. They said it was too early to get involved because the trial had not happened.